Come on, guys and gals. Brad here for LaytonSportsCards. We're ripping. This is 2020 Prizm First Off the Line Football 6-box number 4 divisions. I've got Samuel K. AFC North, JRL AFC West, Colin L. NFC North and NFC West, Seth T. AFC South, Samuel K. NFC East, Jonathan H. NFC South, Rory S. AFC East. Good luck, guys. So the other cool thing with voice mod, I don't know if you knew that, but they have a Twitch extension for it. Oh. So like when they accumulate channel points, they can use it to like make me echo or like sound like a baby, you know, like funny stuff.
That's great.
I thought that was pretty cool.
I've seen some clever uses of channel points. It's kind of great.
I like the gambles. I really like the gambles, like the predictions. I got Keelan Doss, orange. Higgins, Gross Matos. I've been watching Hassan play Rust for the last couple weeks, and it'll be like, will Hassan die in the next 5 minutes? And then I'll always say no because he's a gamer god. So funny. Then chat will blow up like doubters. You got Chase Claypool, LaVisca.
I think one of my favorite uses of channel points is someone has a rule on no backseating them normally. If you accumulate 50,000, you can backseat without any pins.
I love that. Got Austin Hooper, Blue Wave, AFC North. I forgot it was divisions, sorry. Oh, nice, Colin. That's awesome, dude. Gabriel Davis, Josh Uche. This is Prizm First Off the Line. Purple, Mike Williams, AFC West. Darrington Evans, Jake Luton.
I think there are even some games that actually use channel points. If you wanted to implement channel points into the game, you could.
We got Blue Shimmer, Matt Stafford, NFC North. James Proche. Tua Tagovailoa base, AFC East. That's awesome. Yeah, I watch him a lot, Wyatt. Like almost every day. He's also one of the only streamers that streams super late because they all live in LA. So usually they're all offline by midnight or like 1 a.m. So I can get home and I can watch him at 3 a.m. J.K. Dobbins Silver, Green Scope, Jamal Adams, Jeremy Chin, Justin Herbert, Rookie Base, AFC West, Colin's dad. That's awesome. Not a ton of them, Joshua. Orange, Jonathan Ogden. AFC North. CJ Henderson, Logan Wilson. NFC West to 15. Rookie auto, Juwan Jennings. Devin Asiasi, Kenneth Murray. How much was this? This was 1,275 on sale. It was 1,650 not on sale. So the people that got the sale price, looks good. No, he probably put the sale price the whole time. Got Blue Wave, Xavier McKinney, NFC East, Denzel Mims, Epinesa. Dude, how did you convince your dad to spend $1,300? I can't get my mom to buy me a candy bar.
Struggles of growing up.
Got to 149. NFC West rookie auto, Jawan Jennings. Big Benogany, Christian Fulton.
I told my mom how much my computer was. She's like, why do you need a computer that expensive?
Right? Yeah, I know. My mom said the same thing about my computer. LaVisca, Red Shimmer, Evan Engram. I had it at like $950. She's like, that's way too expensive. I'm like, what? This is bare minimum, Mom.
Bare minimum.
$1,000, I'm doing good. Joshua Kelly, Chase Young.
Like my computer I have right now was at the time like $1,200. It's on sale for $700 for being an open box. So.
Yep. Got silver, O.J. Howard. Green and yellow, Kyle Fuller. Jake Fromm, Kyle Duggar. Sometimes, Ryan.
I also am glad I got my computer when I did, was because it was like the day before tariffs went live.
Really?
Mm-hmm. And when the tariffs happened, it's a 25% increase on parts.
Yeah.
It's like, ooh, that's a lot.
Yeah, I was building it on a budget back then. It was tough, man. But it runs really well. The thing that saved me was buying an i5 8400. Because it's got like a 2.8 base clock, I think, or 2.5, which is low. It's not very high. But it has 4.1 turbo. And it runs really, really well. Surprisingly. And that saved me like several $100s instead of buying, you know, a top of the line i7. Pat Mahomes. And I also already had a graphics card, luckily. I had a 1070. Yeah, silver, Christian Kirk. Green and yellow, Jake Luton. AJ Terrell, Jawan Jennings. The other thing that I love is my my NVMe solid state drive. I love that thing, dude. My M2 drive. It's the best purchase I've ever made. My computer starts up in literally a second and a half.
Wait.
Got purple, Julio Jones.
I think I got one of those computers.
Mm-hmm. Got Jacob Eason, Jordan Brooks. Yeah. Most of them are Samsungs.
Wow. I forget what mine is, but like I know I get the 500 gigabyte for the just for the operating system drive, and then I got a 1 terabyte.
Yeah, that's perfect. You'll be fine with that. That's what I did. 500 gigs for the solid, and then terabyte.
I got a terabyte status and a 4 terabyte H hard disk card.
Oh, nice.
So I just went all in. I'm like, I need it for my music and all that stuff. 1 terabyte can be for games I want to quickly load up.
Orange, Thaddeus Moss. Trevon Diggs, Jeff Okuda. I also own a external solid state drive that runs on USB-C, and that actually runs really fast. I was shocked how far they've come over the years. Last time I used an external drive was like USB 2.0 in like 2010.
Jeez.
And it was so slow. Got green and yellow, Byron Murphy, NFC West. What's up, Spencer? Tyler Johnson, Terrell Lewis.
I just knew it was the time for an upgrade when I said you were playing a Super Nintendo emulator, and it's like at sometimes just hitches. I'm like, what the heck?
30-year-old games. Oh man, we got Red Shimmer, TJ Watt, Steelers.
I'm playing Donkey Kong Country, and it's like stop for a bit. I'm like, what are you doing?
Cole Kmet, Jordan Love. God, that's funny.
Like, okay, something's up with this. I don't know if it's just.
It might be a bottleneck or something.
Yeah, I think that's what's happening, which I can kind of see.
Got silver, James Proche, AFC North. Camo to 25, Kenny Galladay, NFC North. Jermichael Hasty, Julian Akwara.
But it's not even just that. It's like any game I play, I'm like, glitch every now and then.
That's so frustrating because it throws you off.
Mm-hmm.
Got orange, James White, AFC East, Zach Bone, Michael Warren. The other thing I always tell people not to skimp on is a monitor. I know it's easy to skimp on a monitor, but if you can get a 144 hertz, if you can afford it, it is life-changing. You might not think it will be, but it's so different. I got a 144 hertz curved monitor with G-Sync.
Wow.
And with G-Sync, there's no screen tearing, ever. It's really nice. Got to 25, Donovan Peoples-Jones. Blue Shimmer rookie auto, AFC North. Brian Edwards. Julian Blackman. Seriously, man. Now I come into work, and these two monitors are 60 hertz, and the mouse throws me off. Every time. So now I somehow need to convince Rich to get me 2 more monitors that are more expensive. Got Blue Wave, Melvin Gordon, DeAndre Swift, Alberto. Dude, it's life-changing.
I know I just bought a new monitor, but I'm not sure what the megahertz is, and I'm just like, maybe I'll just like look into it while I'm at it.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with 60 hertz. It runs fine if you have a good graphics card. Got AFC North 4 of 5. Gold auto Brian Sipe. Nice. I think it's G-Sync that really makes the difference for me. We got Van Jefferson, Nate Stanley, because basically if it goes, like if my frames drop below 144, it starts working basically like vertical sync, where like it changes the refresh rate on the monitor itself so that you don't get any stuttering, even when you have frame drops. So it's like variable refresh rate monitors. Chris Jones, Blue Shimmer, AFC West. Colin's dad's doing well. Josiah DeGuara, Keyshawn Vaughn. Moving on. Yeah, I was blown away when I was like, oh, that's how it works. It just changes the refresh rate. That makes sense.
I might have to do that. I just bought one. I might be wanting to buy a second one anyway. I already have 2 monitors, but the second one is kind of there at this point.
I know what you mean.
But if I buy a second one, it's also really good at making my main. The one I just bought can be my secondary. I just wanted a higher resolution.
I like my curved monitor too. It's not bad. Pretty neat. Got James Proche, Silver Rookie Auto, AFC North. It's not necessary, obviously.
Yeah.
It's a gimmick. Got Lynn Bowden, Jacob Eason.
There was one monitor I saw, I'm like, oh, this is like a super wide screen. Oh, it's a 4K monitor. I'm like, do I need this right now?
I made the mistake of, we got Red Shimmer, Fletcher Cox, NFC East. Ajmudia, Jeff Okuda. Yeah, all cards ship on this. Difference between first off the line and regular hobby. First off the line has the shimmers. Has the shimmer refractors. Yeah, you don't need to go 240 hertz if you're not trying to like pro game. We got Geno Atkins, Orange, Von Miller, Terrell Lewis, Trevon Diggs. Oof, excuse me. Base, Jerry Jeudy, Blue Wave, Trevon Diggs, NFC East, Jordan Love, and Tyler Johnson. Yeah, I made the mistake of buying an ultra-wide monitor one time, and I like it, but at the time, not a lot of games supported it.
Yep.
Not a lot of games supported my resolution, so I had to put it in 1920 1080 and play with the big black bars on the side. Oh, I hated it.
There's only one game I can think of that I have that might support.
World of Warcraft did for me, and I was happy about that. And I think Elder Scrolls Online did. Marlon Davidson, Cole Kmet.
There's like a schmuck called Darius first, I think.
Mm-hmm.
That game's originally an arcade game that uses 2 monitors, so if you had a widescreen, it just naturally work.
Nice. Oh yeah, and Stardew works on ultra wide. Got Sammy Watkins, Red Wave, AFC West.
That game does not need ultra.
JT, Daryl Taylor. You might say that, right? But you can see basically like your whole farm and like into town with an ultra wide monitor. It's crazy. You can see everything. It's like your field of view just triples. Got Jared Pinkney, green and yellow, Julian Blackman, Zach Bond. It was really cool for World of Warcraft. I'll tell you that much. Hopping into a raid and I can like see everything and everybody. Base. Green Shimmer, Quinnen Williams. 4 of 5 AFC East. Alberto, Brian Edwards. No, Elder Scrolls 6?
Nah, that's not happening.
Dude, that's gonna happen in like 5 years probably. 4 or 5 years. It's been so long. I give it 3 or 4 more years actually. Got Leighton Vander Esch, Red Wave, J.K. Dobbins. Got Nate Stanley, DeAndre Swift. Yeah, the only thing we've gotten from that development is the 6-second trailer.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. Which I could have made in my sleep. Got Purple, Anthony McFarlane.
Just like clouds.
Yeah, it was clouds and then a mountain range.
And
that's it.
And then the Elder Scrolls 6.
Yep. Yeah, Flawless Collegiate exists. Redemption. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, rookie Blue Shimmer Auto Redemption, AFC West, Collins' dad. Heck yeah, dude, you're crushing it. Juwan Jennings, Josiah DeGuara. So, Colin did say that I could have all of these cards. So, I really do appreciate it, Colin. Blue Shimmer, or Blue Ice, Devin Duvernay. Jordan Brooks, AJ Terrell. Yeah, man, he's crushing it. What time's this supposed to end? 11:05. Oh my god.
Nope.
I'm trying. Go slower. Got silver, Cole Beasley. Orange, Chris Carson. Michael Pittman Jr. DJ Dallas. Blue Wave, Devontae Parker, AFC East. Colavon Chasen, Cam Akers. Ben DiNucci, Blacklock. Yeah, he's gonna walk up to you, he's gonna be like, look at me. Look at me. I am the captain now. I am the captain now. Got purple, Kevin Byard. AFC South, Isaiah Simmons. Duvernay. Green Scope, Marlon Humphrey, AFC North. Joe Burrow, base, and Derek Brown. Is LeBron not playing, I guess? Denzel Mims. Blue Shimmer, Josh Allen. Bills, AFC East. Got Anthony Gordon. Xavier McKinney. Why isn't LeBron playing? It's the Warriors.
Sounds like it needs to be.
You would think. We got Tom Brady. Laurent Duvernay Tardif, silver. Red Wave, Kyle Rudolph. Darrell Taylor. Davidson. They just haven't put him in yet? Okay. I was worried that I missed something. Blue Ice, Warren Moon. Goes to the Titans, AFC South. Demon Arnett. Jonathan Taylor. AFC North auto to 25. Grant Delpit. Anthony McFarland. Grant Delpit. So on your website it says all base sets are split evenly. Yes. If it's numbered, or if it's colored, or anything like that, anything that's not a base card, you will get for your team. It's just the regular base cards that are split evenly. Chase Young. Purple. There he is. LeBron. AJ Epinesa. Purple. Yeah, there he is. J.K. Dobbins. Bradley Anae. Wild card points, random all at the end. AJ Dillon, Antoine Winfield. Red Shimmer, Curtis Samuel. Pan Clarks. Got Jared Pinkney, Jalen Johnson. I gotta change our alert box back. I still have the Christmas hat alert box. Next one.
Get some custom ones.
Yeah. Komodo hype alert box. Where it's like Popcat, where it's opening its mouth over and over.
Oh my god, yes.
That'd be funny. Thanks. Aaron Rodgers, Illumination. NFC North, Blue Wave, Julio Jones, NFC South. Josiah DeGuara, Keyshawn Vaughn.
It's fun to see what people do with those kind of notifications.
Yeah. Yeah, there's some really good ones out there. Like Hassan has one for his dog that passed away.
Oh.
And it like waves and have a heart next to it. It's so funny. Got to 35, AFC East rookie auto Raekwon Davis. There you go, AFC East. His dog was named Fish. AJ Terrell, Juwan Jennings. I was like, that's genius. I love it.
There's one person I follow that he gets who's really into pinball, so all of his notifications have like pinball.
Ching, 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 ching. That's awesome. Got Tua Tagovailoa rookie. Purple, Jonathan Allen. NFC East. We got Jacob Eason, Jordan Brooks. I've been thinking about buying a pinball machine. I've been trying to find a Simpsons pinball machine, but I can't, like, find one that's reasonable.
It's really hard to find pinball machines.
Yeah.
That are good, too.
Yeah, especially, like, the super popular ones. Got NFC North to 15. Matt Stafford. Autograph. NFC North. Ajmudia, Lynn Bowden. Red Shimmer, Fitzmagic. We're doing one right now. Or we're doing one. Got Trevon Diggs, Jeff Okuda. I'm not sure if we'll have more. Probably next week. Silver, Fitzmagic. Green Scope, Cortland Sutton. AFC West. Tyler Johnson, Terrell Lewis. He's asleep, Noah. Red Wave, Darrington Evans. AFC South, Donovan Peoples-Jones base. Jalen Reagor. Michael Hasty, Aquara. I've been thinking about telling Rich that we need to pay a couple mods. Like, genuinely. Even just one that's, like, attentive would be fine.
Yeah.
You know?
But then you have to, like, make sure that they're always there. Something like that. So
exactly. That's the issue. Because I want somebody that can, like, do links and ban people and, like, check messages and emails, and that'd be nice. Maybe not emails, but messages. Got David Johnson, Blue Ice, AFC South. Zach Bond, Michael Warren. I mean, just answering, like, the simple questions in chat would be so helpful. Got Purple, Mitch Trubisky, NFC North. Brian Edwards, Julian Blackman.
I really want to play pinball.
Pinball's the best.
There's like 2 pinball machines I really love to play.
Base. Got Blue Shimmer, Deontay Johnson. AFC North. DeAndre Swift, Alberto. Oh yeah, I'm excited for this. It's King Kong versus Godzilla coming out soon. I think they're putting it right on the HBO Max.
Uh-oh.
Got Montez Sweat, Silver. Orange, Blake Jarwin. Got Van Jefferson, Nate Stanley. I think they're doing the same thing with Dune. And they're also, HBO Max has all the Studio Ghibli films. They have the rights to all those. Which is what I originally purchased it for. So I could watch all those. And it does have the original dubs, which is pretty cool. Or the original regular ones. Non-dubbed.
The subs.
Yeah. And I know they're trying to get more like Crunchyroll content. Even Netflix has been stepping it up with trying to get more anime. We got Silver, Harrison Smith. Red Wave, Travis Kelce. Like, they have Naruto and stuff now. Got Luton, Gabriel Davis. And using Funimation and Crunchyroll sucks. I hate those sites.
Crunchyroll's really only good for like stuff that's currently airing.
Yep. Orange, Brandon Cooks. It's just the user interface just sucks. Got Tua Tagovailoa rookie. AFC East and Darrington Evans. Justin Herbert. AFC West. Colin's dead. James Proch. Blue Wave, Greg Zuerlein. Got Logan Wilson, Jeremy Chin. Yeet. Green and yellow, Sam Hubbard. AFC North there, we got Kenneth Murray, CJ Henderson. Blue Shimmer, Justin Jefferson. 22 of 25 NFC North. Who had NFC North?
Colin.
Colin?
I mean, he's talking about Jefferson.
There you go, man. Nice. Oh, I had the NFC North. Congrats me. No, I'm just kidding. There you go, Colin.
Better than the base, too.
That's awesome. AJ Epinesa, Aussie. Tua Tagovailoa, silver rookie, AFC East. Rory. Orange, Danny Amendola. Got Zach Moss, CeeDee Lamb. Blue Wave, Zach Bond, NFC South. Isaiah Coulter, Colin Johnson. Got to 25, Damon Arnett, rookie blue shimmer auto. Yeah, I've been thinking about building my own Plex server recently. I've been thinking about doing that. I read that there's a way that they will you could set it up to automatically torrent new episodes of shows, and it will pop up in your server automatically. Which I'm like, dude, how can I pass that up, you know? Patrick Queen, Neville Gallimore.
There are people I know that run Flex server on their own, and it's just like, it works.
Yeah, and your whole family can use it if you want to. It's the crazy part. Got green and yellow, Carson Wentz. NFC East. Dieter Gross-Matos, Benjamin. So, I'm going to start working on one of those soon. I also was thinking about making a pie hole to get rid of ads. Got AFC West, Austin Eckler, Silverado. Like those pie holes, dude, they get rid of every ad. Got LaVisca, T. Higgins.
Ads are annoying.
They get rid of everything. It's nuts. Got Red Shimmer, Quez Watkins. NFC East, Josh Uche, Chase Claypool. All right, wild card points, 1 sec. Nice one. Yeah, I've been thinking about getting one, man. Or, well, making one soon enough. I was just gonna use a Raspberry Pi and some type of drive. Because then I can let my grandma use it and stuff. Be perfect. That. Got Wild card points. Random all. Good luck. Whoever ends up on top gets it. 6 and 1, 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. JRL. JRL. And there you go, guys. That'll do it for the break. Coming up next, Playbook. Sit tight.